Hey guys, how are you? Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. Hey friends, hey team. I'm coming to you in today's video to chat with you about how to do a Scentsy mystery host or hostess party. Depends on how you want to have it. Host or hostess. It's for he and for she, guys. Host or hostess. So how to do a Scentsy mystery host or hostess party, guys. Yay! So excited to talk to you guys about this. Okay, guys, if you want to see more videos from me, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Share out these videos to everyone that you feel needs to see it or learn from it, grow from it. You know, sharing is caring. So thank you so much, guys. So let's get right into it, guys. What is a mystery hostess party? A mystery hostess party is a great way to fill your month with an extra party. It's exactly what it sounds like. A party where no one knows who the host or hostess will be. These are really great to hold in your VIP Facebook group or with a group of customers that have hosted for you several parties in the past, but may not be ready to host a party right now, but want to shop. There are a couple of ways you can award the benefits. When you have several customers wanting to order, a fun way to submit the orders is a mystery host or hostess party. Each shopper gets entered into a drawing. The easiest way, especially if everyone isn't local to you, is to let one shopper win all the benefits. Then he or she becomes the host or hostess and can pick the free and half-price items, host exclusive, any host specials that you have available. The other option is to break up the benefits, the rewards, the host rewards, up over several shoppers. This can be great if you want to reward more than one customer. First, you want to create the party in the workstation. Put mystery host or mystery hostess as the party name. Make sure that it shows up on your PWS, which is your personal website. Go ahead and put yourself as the host or the hostess for now. You can change that later once you have chosen a winner. You can also create a share campaign for your customers to share the party. Please remember, with Scentsy, we are not allowed to offer any private personal specials publicly. So anything that you want to share with your customers or whatever, do it privately, but we're not allowed to do any personal specials publicly. Just wanted to put that in as a friendly FYI, guys. Announce the mystery host or hostess party to everyone and tell the customers to invite everyone that they know and set a start and end time. When I do my mystery host party, I collect orders throughout the month. For example, it's February, so everyone who orders from my February mystery hostess party will be entered into the drawing once we have reached a qualifying party. You can post your mystery host picture and you can post it along with the party link in your closed VIP Facebook group. You can post it on your fan page, you can post it on your personal page, you can email it to customers, you can text it to customers. You can let them know that they will be entered into a drawing once they shop the mystery host or host link and that they have a chance to win all of the free and half-price items. Yay! You can also do this as an event if you prefer. From there, I treat it like a Facebook party, and I post a little bit each day about our amazing products and why everyone needs Scentsy in their life. If you have anyone not in your group that you think would like to shop, then you can let them know. You can text them or email them or give them a call. Every time someone places an order, you can shout them out, you can cheer them on, and you can thank them so very much for their order. Once all the orders are in and you have a qualifying party, put all their names in a bin, or you can use the wheel of names, which works great, and then you can draw a winner. I like to do this on a live video, or you can do a recorded video. It's fun and it's exciting. Be sure to let everyone know when you will be going live or when you will be doing the drawing. You now have a winner. Yay! Now what? Well, message the winner right away. Based on the sales of the party, let the winner know how much their host rewards will be, how much they got in free and half price items, how much they got in host rewards. Yay, that's so exciting. And you can also ask them if they would like to join your team at a discounted price, because guess what? There's a host kit available. Offer the host kit opportunity to everybody, guys. Even with a qualifying party, when you're doing a mystery hostess, you could still offer a host join exclusive kit. Yay, that's awesome. Set a time frame that you need her or him to order by. Give her or him no more than 24 hours, guys. Be sure to change the hostess info on the party so that the order ships directly to the host or the hostess. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is how you do a Scentsy mystery host or hostess party. Yay! I truly, sincerely appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Love you all so much. You are amazing, and I'll see you in the next Scentsy video. Have a good night, guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you.